guys, it is Ben, and today I will be doing my squishy collection. I have this huge tub full of squishies. That was my dog. It was not a rabid beast. So I have this huge tub full of squishies, and I have a bunch of them. These are not squishies. So these are all my squishies. So let's first start out with this Walgreens pill squishy. It's not that squishy. Not that squishy. Then we have this ball. It's like pirate ball. It's not that squishy. Then we have this donut, and the sprinkles that came off because it was literally from the dollar store. And it's kind of squishy. And if you're asking why I'm not in my normal spot, at the moment we are moving, so that it's like a bunch of like boxes down in the basement where I record. So that's why I'm in a different location. That's why there's a door and a window and a bunch of games. I'm in a different location. And next we have this seashell from Squish Delish. Look how squishy that is. This one is super slow rising. Just like that's so slow rising. So we have that one. Then we have this like burger that is not licensed. Not licensed. But this one is squishy, very squishy. And this one at the bottom is really, really soft. And this one is not scented. Neither is this one. This one smells like somebody's dead corpse. Like, it smells like death. So next up we have this Buddy Squishy, which is licensed. I got this from Orb. And this one is very slow rising. So we have that one. Next up we have this really cute cupcake, which is licensed, and it is very squishy. So if you hear stuff in the background, the TV is playing. So it is very squishy. That one. Now we're getting to the bigger squishies. We have this really defected cupcake squishy. You can see the paint is chipping, and then the top just ripped off. It's kind of squishy. Well, it is very squishy, but it's not as slow rising as some of my other squishies. Have that one. Next up, we have this super soft dinosaur, which is not really licensed. It just has a bunch of numbers on it. Even like, it's very squishy, this, but even at the top, it's so squishy. And this one has like a couple defects, but not as many as this cupcake. Next up, we are moving to the jumbo squishies. We have this like platter of like yogurt ice cream stuff. This one's a little harder to squish because of like the round shape at the bottom. It's very squishy here. Very squishy. Next up, we have these pancakes. This one is very squishy, and this one has a bunch of defects. Like, just look at that. Look at that. Ew. And then once you squish it at the bottom, like, look at all the cracks. But this one is very squishy. And next up, this is one of my favorite squishies that I have. It is a huge, ginormous ice cream. And it's so jumbo and so big, and I love to squish it. Very squishy. And next up, we have one of my favorite squishies of all. We have this jumbo orb cinnamon roll. It's so squishy. Like, just look at that. This is just like, this gets me so shook. Like, it's so big and jumbo, and it is so squishy. And the sound that it makes, just love this squishy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these squishy videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!